The Quasar-Unipower, designed by French-Vietnamese engineer and designer Quasar Khanh, was a unique city car produced in limited numbers between 1967 and 1968. Born Nguyen Mon Con in Hanoi, Vietnam, in 1934, Khanh moved to France at the age of 15 and later adopted the pseudonym Quasar. He was known for his inflatable furniture line Aerospace and his engineering work on hydroelectric dams, including the Manicouagan 5 Dam in Canada. The Quasar-Unipower was manufactured by Universal Power Drives in Perivale, Middlesex, England. The car featured a distinctive cubic design with sliding glass walls doors, making it wider, 66 inches, than long, 64 inches, and standing at a height of 74 inches. This unique design was intended to provide easy access from all four sides and offer a panoramic view of the surroundings. The vehicle was powered by a four-cylinder, 1100 cubic centimeter British Motor Corporation engine with an automatic transmission, capable of reaching speeds up to 50 miles per hour or 59 miles per hour, according to different sources. The suspension components were carried by modified mini subframes, and the car used mini 10-inch wheels. One of the most striking features of the Quasar-Unipower was its transparent body, which included inflatable plastic seats. This design made the car ideal for promotional use and factory warehouses, although it could get hot inside under direct sunlight. The car's unique appearance attracted significant attention, and it was featured in the French comedy film Elle boit pas, Elle fume pas, Elle drague pas, mais Elle cause, starring Mireille d'Arc. Despite its innovative design, the Quasar-Unipower faced challenges in practicality and safety. The sliding glass doors were presumably made with tempered glass to prevent injuries. The car's lack of aerodynamics and high center of gravity made its top speed potentially dangerous. Additionally, concerns about the heat inside the car on sunny days were noted. Only about 15 Quasar-Unipower cars were produced, with 13 exported to France and sold mainly to major motor manufacturers. The surviving cars remain in France and have gained cult status, with many being restored to their original condition. Quasar Khan's contributions extended beyond the Quasar-Unipower. He returned to Vietnam to help rebuild the economy after the Southeast Asian Wars, designing various products and consulting with emerging industries. His wife, Emmanuelle, a clothing designer, passed away 8 months after his death in 2016. The Quasar-Unipower stands as a testament to Khan's innovative spirit and his ability to blend engineering and design in unique ways. Despite its limited production and practical challenges, the car remains a fascinating piece of automotive history, embodying the creative and experimental spirit of the late 1960s. Its distinctive design, transparent body, and innovative features make it a standout in the history of automotive design and a symbol of bold and unconventional thinking in the automotive industry.